video right now is just a little intro video to let you guys know what I'm working on, and I have so much to catch up on with you guys, but I wanted to talk briefly right now this minute. We're going to be covering the martial law drills, the prejudice and discrimination against Christians getting more intense. We're going to be talking about how there's a new grace in town. Did you know that? It's being preached everywhere. It's called the Gospel of Grace. Now, I don't know about you, but in my Bible, it was the Gospel of Good News, not the Gospel of Grace. Grace was part of the things that were preached in the Bible, but it was not referred to as the Gospel of Grace. This is a man-made thing. That Prince guy, I can't think of his name right now, something Prince, he preaches the Gospel of Grace. A lot of mega churches are picking up on this, and they are also preaching on the Gospel of Grace. It amazes me 100% how the people that are preaching the Gospel of Grace, none of them are going near the book of Revelation, which is the book that they should be teaching to the saints right now, because we are in perilous times, and these same men and women want to keep the body of Christ dumb and blind. Nothing better than blind sheep. Keep them blind, keep them dumb, so they can keep giving money to these alleged men of God. If these people really cared about the sheep of God, their congregations, and preaching the gospel, they would be informing the saints, their congregations, as to what is about to hit the fan, which is the economy failing, martial law, and the New World Order taking their place. So I'll be back with you guys in a few moments. Hopefully, I have a lot to talk about. So I'll see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.